Transformation, center we proclaim. Whoa, living more than just a name.
Yeah, moving from a church
mentality to a kingdom mindset, our reality.
When David summoned him, Mephibosheth expected judge. Instead, he got restoration because of Jonathan's covenant with David, not with Saul, Jonathan's covenant. So his words were 1 Samuel 9 and 8. What is your servant that you should regard a dead dog such as I? See, one of y'all identities problem is that you see yourself as worthless. You see yourself as nothing's going right. You see yourself as one failed relationship after another, one failed marriage after another, one job after another. But until you find your identity in Christ, you will always feel worthless. So his language revealed how deeply shame had settled in his heart. See, the gospel does the same thing. Christ restores what sin, fear, and shame has distorted. Now, as I stated, when you didn't sign up for Black Sheep Academy, how we told you, thank you for the gift. I remember saying now it's double because you didn't follow the instructions. And now you're going to come back, and I know I heard the word double because I know what God told me. Make them bleed. Make them. And it's so sad, even then. Let me go over here and look. Somebody still didn't follow the instruction. Now, it goes along with the thought of it anyway. It take a lot out of it. Why? Because we don't pacify people in Black Sheep Academy. You either gonna be a Marine or you can go join the army. Be a cook or something. Huh? Go clean up the barracks. Clean up the barracks. So watch this. Instructions, obedience, and time. Those are the key fundamental foundation that you got to constantly make sure you in alignment. Because why? Because I ain't gonna tell you. And by the time I'm telling you, you may not like the way it come out because it gonna come with something. You know why? Because you letting Satan manipulate your mind. It's 3:43. At 4 o'clock, shutting down registration, and I'm taking it off. We're gonna have another class start up. Because watch this. The reason Jesus kept letting Judas hang around, he was hoping he had a change of heart. He never changed his heart. Don't be the Judas. I'm just telling you. So, you don't know God. Too many of you moving in fear.
Transformation, center we proclaim. Whoa, living more than just a name.
Yeah, moving from a church
mentality to a kingdom mindset, our reality.